sunrise. Looks like morning in your eyes, but the clock's held 9:15 for hours. Sunrise, sunrise, couldn't tempt us if it tried, 'cause the afternoon's already come and gone. And I said, ooh, I said, ooh, I said, ooh, to you. Viele von euch haben wahrscheinlich gerade mit dem Ukulele-Spielen angefangen und sind verzweifelt auf der Suche nach einem anderen Song außer Somewhere Over the Rainbow oder Can't Help Falling in Love with You. Und deshalb habe ich für euch 10 super schöne Ukulelen-Songs rausgesucht, die nicht so geläufig sind, aber super auf der Ukulele funktionieren. Die Tonarten, in denen ich die Songs spiele, sind nicht unbedingt die Originaltonart, aber es sind eben Tonarten, die auf Ukulele sehr gut funktionieren. Ich habe euch da nochmal ein paar Links in der Videobeschreibung jeweils reingepackt. Wenn die Tonart für euch nicht passt, könnt ihr das einfach da ohne Probleme rumtransponieren. Der erste Song war Sunrise von Norah Jones und jetzt geht es gleich weiter mit dem zweiten. Hey little girl, is your daddy home? Did you go and leave you all alone? I got a bad desire. Oh, I'm on fire. Tell me now, baby, is he good to you? Can he do to you the things that I do? I can take you higher. Oh, I'm on fire. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. Your beauty is beyond compare, your flaming locks and auburn hair with ivory skin and eyes of emerald green. Your smile is like the breath of spring, your voice is soft like summer rain, and I cannot compete with you, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through to make those rainbows in my mind. When I think of you sometime, and I wanna spend some time with you, just the two of us. We can make it if we try, just the two of us, just the two of us. Just the two of us, building castles in the sky. Just the two of us, you and I. When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When evening shadows and the stars appear, and there's no one there to dry your tears, I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. There's no combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. No song that I could sing, but I can try for your heart. Our dreams, and they're made out of real things, like a shoebox of photographs with sepia tone of loving. Love is the answer, at least to the most of the questions of my heart. Why are we here, where do we go, and how come that it's so hard? It's not always easy, and sometimes life can be deceiving. I'll tell you one thing, it's always better when we're together. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, we look at the stars when we're together. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight. Show me that you love me too. Put your lips next to mine, dear. Don't you kiss me once, baby. Just a kiss goodnight, maybe. You and I will fall in love. I walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. I felt the earth beneath my feet, sat by the river and it made me complete. Oh simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know. This could be the end of everything, so why don't we go somewhere only we know. Somewhere only we know. And I give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't want to go home right now. And all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your life. And sooner or later it's over, I just don't want to miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. Dance with me, my old friends, once before we go. Let's pretend this song won't end, and we never have to go home. And we'll dance among the chandeliers And nothing matters when we're dancing. In tête-à-tête you're entrancing. Be we in Paris or in Lansing, nothing matters when we're dancing. Das waren meine 10 Songs, die ihr statt Somewhere Over the Rainbow auf Ukulele spielen könnt. Ich hoffe, ihr konntet was mitnehmen. Checkt gerne die Videobeschreibung. Da habe ich euch nochmal alle meine Ukulelen-Videos verlinkt. Und wenn ihr noch Fragen habt, dann schreibt mir gerne auch einen Kommentar unter das Video. Und vor allem, wenn ihr einen Lieblingssong auf Ukulele habt oder mehrere Lieblingssongs auf Ukulele habt, schreibt mir die gerne unter das Video. Das ist immer cool, wenn Leute, die auch schon viel Ukulele spielen, vielleicht ein bisschen ihre Erfahrung teilen können. Besucht gerne auch meinen Kanal für noch mehr Videos zum Thema Gitarre, Ukulele und zum Musikmachen im Allgemeinen. Lasst mir ein Abo da, lasst mir ein Like da, ihr wisst, wie das läuft. Und dann bis zum nächsten Mal. Ciao.